In this Youth Month edition of Meet Our Members, we introduce Constable Ngobo, a 30-year-old SAPS member who is stationed at Phill Da E SAPS, who has achieved an exceptional milestone in his studies. His achievement is a testament of dedication, discipline, and the pursuit of excellence. Though he's committed to both policing and education, Constable Ngobo's story reminds us that with determination and perseverance, anything is possible.
Lindo Ngobo is from KwaZulu-Natal in a place called Nkandla. Currently, I'm working in Hillbrook Police Station, where I'm working. My duties include crime prevention, dealing with robbery complaints, monitoring and stabilizing crime hotspots around Hillbrook Policing Precinct. I joined SAPS in 2022. Before I joined SAPS, I was working in Gauteng Department of Community Safety in a research department where I was working as a policy researcher intern. Okay, my educational background is a PhD in Policy and Development Studies and a Master's in Social Science, majoring with Public Policy, a Bachelor of Social Science Honours in Public Policy, and a Bachelor of Social Science from the University of KwaZulu-Natal. My message for the youth is that SAPS can be their employer of choice because SAPS values career development, and it also values, I noticed recently the organization have been recruiting graduates to be part of the organization. So even the people who are graduates, they can consider SAPS as their employer of choice. And that will not end there because they will also gain more training with regards to their areas of expertise.
And tell us, what do you enjoy doing when you are not working?
Okay, when I'm not working, I'm a person who loves reading and doing research, as well as involving myself in sport activities.
What up everyone, it's your girl Cody Rossouw and welcome back again to Thembisa Online Entertainment. So guys, today Mr Mavundla, the founder and CEO of SIMA. So today he'll be explaining his journey and everything we literally want to know. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna waste your time, we're just gonna get into it. So Savannah Njani? Introduce so introduce.
Alright. No, ngiyabonga ukuthi ningamukele osukwini namhlanje. Mina ke ngumsizi uMavundla uthabe khulu lwadlalwela ngeimpambo sineinkonja nendiza phezulu. Ngumthimunde izimtiti. Yeah. So I'm from Sounds of Azania, which is a cultural and creative incubator. Sinama programs amaningi ngaphansi kwayo. One of them, which is the Choral Indigenous Music Awards. Yeah, so I'm the founder and CEO of executive producer of the awards themselves. Yes.
Okay, it seems like you do a lot of things, ne?
Kuningi siyazama angithi manje indlela I-society ethingakhona asivumelekile ukuthi singaba nesihlale nje.
Yeah, mele ungene ngapha.
Mele ungene ngalapha, yes.
Yeah, I understand. So ubaba uphuma phi?
Mina originally I'm from KZN. endunduma esikomplazi eClermont eThekwini kahle kahle
Umzulu phaqade.
Yeah,
angiyezwa ukuthi.
Umzulu phaqa but lana ke ngila eSoweto ngokuhlala sa relocate ke sizama uzothola lona igolide size egolide sofuna igolide ke salifica selingasekho sekukhona uCovid uyabona lo so but ke sabantu ke abazamayo abahlanganisayo but iindustry ngikuyona iyona i-creative industry since I was born I was a creative. So yona ndime ngidlale kuyona kakhulu the entertainment space, music space. That is why sinamasima because of ilokhuzana, because of the music, the creation of music, production of music, promotion and marketing as well.
Makes sense. So Mangashane, how's the journey been in the music entertainment industry ever since uqalile nje?
Ever since ngaqala, fortunately I started in a time when zonke izinto ngithi fortunately because kwakunama lack of resources for ama artists at the time. Sikhule ngesikhathi ku music when there were only a few record companies, which is the major record companies besuka koma KZN from Eastern Cape, from Cape Town size eGoli sizofuna ama record deals into enjalo. So that created a platform for us which we need to do our own things because akusona thina sonke that can have that opportunity to be signed and have a record deal. But if you have a talent or la usuka khona kune talent, and then how do you then maneuver around that, so which then we ended up creating ama record companies ourselves. One of them, Funky Tigers Entertainment, so that we create our platforms for other recording artists to go to ama record deals, and also ama magazines for us to be able to market ourselves. So that is why I get it, fortunately, because of the lack of resources, it allowed us to create businesses as well as to support ama artists. So the journey has been long, it's been hard, it's struggle say artistic emzansi siyaziwa. It's one of the industries alokhuzane athathelwa phansi, and yet they've played a very big role or a huge role in democracy in this country.
True.
So even now you can see umhlaba wonke we are trailblazing. We are creating genres that are enjoyed umhlaba wonke. We have Grammy winners emzansi. So it's an industry big, but that is not been given an opportunity or recognized as it's supposed to be as an industry. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So kulo muntu we today ne. Maungasho, is there someone who inspired you or who you look up to ukuthi uze ufike la ukhona today?
I'm an artist. The struggle of artists, that's what inspired me. Being a struggling artist myself, seeing I'm an artist, but if you're in the music space or entertainment space, depending on the age, understand. So you have people that you look up to. For me, it's ushintsha ngama genres ukuthi imapha ama genres at the time who we have ama producers njengo Chico Twala, you have ama artists njengo Sibongile Khumalo or Hugh Masekela, we have songwriters abanjengo Enoch Sotonga, for example, who today esicula uNkosi Sikelela because he wrote the song in the 1800s. Understand? And then there's a lot of artists, your Ladysmith Black Mambazos, from choral to hip hop. We have guys in hip hop that I look up to, or Prophets of the City at the time. You understand? You can do this you can be a creative while still being an activist. Fighting for the rights of your country, especially now youth man. Youth namhlanje, they are always comparing it to youth 1976. You understand? And it was the creatives who came together decided to have a marching on 1976.
Yeah.
Even today, it's the creatives that always who are doing things ezizokwenza ukuthi siqala ukubona ama-struggles differently, because without a song, without poetry, without a book, without anything, without Thembisa Online, asikwazi ukubona ama-struggles akhona in our societies or in our communities.
So do you feel like I'm a music artist, njengoba usho ukuthi, like mostly they struggle to get like to be seen the way they're supposed to be?
Yes.
So in the beginning or now, do you feel like namanje they're not just seen as yet, or it's getting there?
The industry has changed, but it has not changed at the same time. Manje, there are a lot of artists who are independent, right? Who are doing their own things, ngendlela futhi right. But because of the lack of platforms where they can plug their music, for example, you still have the same radio stations. You still have who are dominating the space. So you still have, when you listen to mainstream media, you still listen to the same people. Yeah, and then you have people who are registered with Sambro as musicians who have submitted their music. Plus or minus 30,000 artists that we have, who have registered their music. But when you listen to mainstream media, angeke uzuze wonke lo 30,000. Yeah, you understand. You only listen to the few. So the struggle is the same, but at least now with the technology and everything, with our platforms and or Thembisa Online, you are able to then be able to promote yourself and push your music. You're able to find other platforms, digital platforms where you can sell your music as well. So the struggles are not the same. You understand? Back in the days, we were doing physical copies, selling physical copies. It was hard even then to get your music into stores. Now we need to adapt to digital space as well. Your YouTube's, your Spotify's, music code. But there's numbers that you need to push and sell so that you are able to make money out of it. To make money out of it. But the controllers of the platform, whether you get one view, it still makes money. Whether you get two views, it still makes money. Yeah. But when you have to reach a certain amount of views for you to make money. So now, that is when now my platforms, they are very important right now, so that we are able to promote our music and then be exposed to our music, because with digital music, it moves very fast. It moves very fast. So you always have to just keep up.
Yeah, but at least now technology and everything is helping a bit, because like you can get things out there without having to send hard copies, like you said, because it's hard like that. Because hard copy
by pirate. But it's the same thing with hard copies. It was pirated, Babewa Damba and sell it off the streets. Namanje, they still download it and don't pay for it.
Yeah,
but DJing, but you're still not making any sense. You are not getting the views, but your music is out there.
True.
Everyone is bumping it, but we are not making money out of it. So it's different. When it's cutting shade, whatever platform that is introduced at the time, there's always a knockoff of it.
True. I feel like most people get like to be seen or to get like rewards for what they do, mostly when people know the face behind it. Like man, let's say you post something on TikTok that you do and people love it and it blows out. So if it reaches the right eyes and then obviously you're gonna come with offers because they see your talent. You didn't go to them.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's better when people see the real face.
The real face, yes. So with the coming of AI, we need to change now how we produce and do music. How we produce music, how we get our music out there, because we are in competition with AI. So which is why now the programs are Choral Indigenous Music Awards, the ways we is to we still,
push.
yes, but
Yeah.
we're going back to basics where we need to acknowledge artists for their work and their contribution abawenza, especially because communities, they need to know ukuthi kunechoir ethile ekhona in our community that is doing big things, that is producing great music. You understand? So with us recognizing those artists and through our awards, through our festivals that we are creating, because a program enkulu choral indigenous music awards uyabona. So kuningi uyabona.
So since upusha lento le isimane, do you feel like it's working out, like uyayibona progress and everything that you visioned for or your goals were, like they're coming through?
Yes.
They are.
Yes. Remember, Tina, Sounds of Azala, it's Sounds of Azala Cultural and Creative Incubator. Yeah. As an incubator, our role is to incubate our artists or our creatives, so that we make sure they get the right platform about Dingayo for them to prosper. So by us offering that kind of service to them, or us incubating them, so with the Choral Indigenous Music Awards, yenza exactly what it's part of our vision and what we are goal is to achieve for artists. So to answer your question, it is doing what we have envisioned with the first choral, because this is the second annual Sobesiyenza on 25 July, AMPD Studios in Newtown. This is the second one. The first installment was amazing as well. So the traction that we are getting, or the participation that we are getting from Lokuzana, from artists, it's very huge. You understand? Because choral indigenous music, or music that who's not getting the right platforms as it's supposed to. You understand? And music on genres amaningi within war. You understand? We have Imizwilile, we have Statameya, you have Amazayon, you have Amadodana, we have Clap and Tap, we have apostolic music as part of Ilokuza. You understand? We have traditional choirs within the same space. So you find Uguti, there's only a few that is being recognized, sometimes internationally, like the Ladysmith Black Mambazo. They are getting Grammy Awards overseas. You understand? But Tina La, we are not pushing them, or we are not enjoying their music, or suthathe ngendlela ekufanele somkele ngayo kube music wethu. You understand? So the choral space with our awards, we are trying to put the indigenous choral music into a space where they are getting platforms where they can perform, where they can come festivals, concerts, where they are being awarded as they are supposed to, getting their music out there digitally, selling on digital platforms, and them understanding Uguti, they are not just choirs are corner in our communities, but they are also brands as well. You understand? So with the Choral Indigenous Music Awards, it's us playing a role to say we are not just awards, but we are here to also help and guide your careers as well, and shape it to the right direction la ekufanele ayekho. So kuningi esikwenzayo within the awards themselves. So we do community engagements, outreach, we have workshops where we teach artists about music rights, opportunities within the music space, about abroad and here at home. You understand? And also, again, we use that platform for our choir to understand they are part of a community. It's easy for them to for example, but create more programs where they are able to change ama communities abaphila kuwona.
Yeah.
Because if you have ama members out 8 in one choir or out 6 in one choir, that is 30 families or 60 families
True. Yeah.
are corner lab. So they need to understand that they are not just only artists, but they are ambassadors of our communities are. You understand? So whatever social ills are corner within their communities, now but they need to play a part or a role where they're able to find solutions or give solutions through the music abawenzayo, through and encouraging the youth ukuthi isuke kuma drugs, isuke eyintweni ezingafanele and be part of the space uyabona. So with indlela entertainment industry ingayo manje, choir alone can create so many employment with choir alone. It needs branding. So who's doing your branding? You understand? Who's doing your social media, for example? But there are a lot
Different
of opportunities
stuff,
that can happen within a choir alone. That also says my families, my members are they are not just artists, but they are families. So with the Choral Indigenous Music Awards, it's us showing them the way and saying, guys, understand your brand, understand who you are, understand the craft that you have, how you write your music, how you send your messages. Indlela eniphila ngayo choir, is it reflective of ilokhuzana, of i-community yakho uyabona? So ide kanjalo.
Ayichaze because njengoba uchaza bengiyokubuza ukuthi mangathi usitshela ngamasima awards nama categories wakhona boyobeka kanjani. So I feel like a dash of what you said did extend that.
Yeah, so kuma categories esinawo, we have istatamia, the best istatamia, the best amazion, the best amadodana, the best clap and tap, the best apostolic music, best indigenous music.
Yeah.
Best choral indigenous. We have the best choral performance, best choral events. Ngoba kunama events as much as engamaningi, but with that award we are also trying to encourage ama events akhona ukuthi njengoba ngithi we need to go back to basics where we are staging music, where people are performing in their communities for communities to enjoy their music. You understand? So we have the best performances, the best events. We have the main, the SIMA award as well. We have the best group of the year, the best album of the year. We also do Life Achievements Awards.
Oh, that's nice.
We also have another special award where we recognize our pioneers within the music space, where our composers, our producers, people who have paved the way for the genre itself to be where it is, the choral genre itself. Like for example, last year, our Life Achievement Award last year, it was Aba Rorisi, who were celebrating 60 years. They are older than our Democrats.
Yeah.
So they've been there during apartheid, during the struggle, they've been there. You understand? So we need to celebrate abantu abanjengalabo. We were celebrating Isaac Setati, who was the founder and director, composer of Isaac and the Mighty Messengers, who passed away as well last year. So abantu laba badlale, in fact, so wakhona la Thembisa.
Yeah.
Yes, wakhona la Thembisa ubaba Isaac Setati. So we were celebrating abantu abanjengana. So we have ama awards that's where we acknowledge the people who have played a very big role in pushing and promoting and crafting the choral indigenous music. Njoba ungizwa ngilinganisa ngo Enoch Sotonga, for example.
Yeah.
Unkosi Sikelela lesucula every day. Esicula every day was written by Enoch Sotonga, 1840s. That's how old the song is.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah.
But sometimes you just need to ask yourself, if the song is that old, are the families getting royalties?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I understand. So that's one of the things as part of what we are doing with the choral music or our awards is to say, your music is your estate. You understand? Yifale. So fanele uma sesingasekho emhlabeni, but your kids and your this, they need to continue benefiting from your music. You are not just music, but it's an estate. It's your will. Into fanele uyibhale kuyo. Understand? Ibhale phansi, I understand. And also try to educate ukuthi koSAMRO, who administers music rights for South African musicians. Imapha programs now. For example, kunama artists angazi ukuthi there's a retirement fund. Ekhona eSAMRO. There's a retirement fund, there's a funeral cover. If you're an artist to show, you can go to SAMRO and get that benefit of having a funeral cover, and also a retirement if we are so so ezinye zezinto, I'm just making an example, ezinye zezinto that you are doing to make sure the space itself, the genre itself, or the industry itself, yama choral indigenous music, iba recognized, and it's also profitable. Access to markets, I understand. We do access to markets. Where do you sell your music? How do you sell your music? How to commercialize your brand. And also, that I did not mention, it was Imzwilili as well. We have the best Imzwilili award as well. Imzwilili abacula ngelotha ababona.
Oh, singiyababona. Mina ngibambile ile inkosi sikelele ukuthi vele the song is yakudala le, but manje sayicula.
Yes.
So I feel like the families deserve royalties.
So we understand that the choral music. Uma nishaya itoyitoyi la nifuna service delivery, what do? You sing. You sing choral music.
Yes.
Yabona. But kodwa at the time soke ningazi ukuthi niyacula. That is indigenous music. Everything that we do, mesemncwabeni, mesemshadweni, we sing. Yabona. So the music industry has always been there since we can remember, especially as South African, and it has played a very big role in this Katsobandlululo. Njoba ngikulinganisela group that has been celebrating 60 years last year.
60 is long, yo.
60, yeah, you understand. Yeah. Until we are only 32 years into our democracy, and we are sesiyakhala already.
Yeah.
Yeah, but kodwa nginabantu
we've been there for a long time.
Abangakhala who are still pushing. So we need ukuthi abantu abanjengelabo babe example to us with industry, because all we need to do is to persevere. Be consistent, make sure your music is there, your music is out there, and you are enjoying what you are doing. We are not just doing it for gratification, but you need to enjoy and love what you are doing, because if you enjoy and love what you do, then you are able to send messages that will change the world and the communities that we live in.
That's valid. So mostly, how do people vote, like for the awards and everything?
The voting lines are still open. As of 19 July, so people send all the categories. They have a code that we give to ama artists, so they're able to send an SMS online, to send an SMS and vote for their groups. Kuma genres, kuma categories where they are nominated. Yes.
Okay. So that's how
they vote. Yes, they SMS to vote for. So the voting lines are still open. So we encourage our fans to keep on voting and following Sima on all our social media platforms. Through Sounds of Azania, uzowathola and yonke imininingwane uyatholakala khona. Yes.
Okay. So Ute, when is the event again?
The event is on the 25th of July. This year, at AMPD Studios in Newtown. Yes. Oh. And the venue itself is very strategically because it's space very summer creatives. But so this is why we said we're gonna do event corner, so that they get to enjoy and understand ukuthi lenda bayenzayo imapha amanye so it's part of the market access ebengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi, because we need to record our music professionally, and khona lapha there's a professional recording studio. There's spaces for podcast. You understand, we've partnered with organizations and a Prime Ride group who are doing great jobs in recording about music videos. They record music videos and also submit them to all ama lokuzana, ama TV stations as well. So we've partnered with ama organizations that we know would see the artists themselves, they would benefit a lot if they lokuz, if they are part of the ama Sima Awards.
Okay, since you're the founder and CEO of Sima Awards, which is a huge role, I can say from my side, it's like, is there like, when from your side, do you feel like, is it hard or because I feel like whenever there's a problem, they come to you.
Yes.
You have to sort it out,
Yes.
right? So do you feel like sometimes it can be challenging, or you feel like so you try to that point to see whenever there's a problem, you know what to do?
There's always a challenge. You cannot say it's easy. It's never easy. It's like raising a child. It's never easy, but you need to do your best in making sure ukuthi ingane yakho is well taken care of. You always find ways if there's a problem, how do you solve it? And you can never do it alone. So I do have a team behind me that is helping me, or the entire Sounds of Azania team, our stakeholders as well, Seven Sana Labo or Prime Right, Jongo Bangisho. So there's a team, so I always have that support to make sure. Yes, you can never do it alone. You can never do it alone.
True, you must always have a backbone.
You must always have people. Yes,
it's gonna be very hard, Mina. That's how I see it. Because if there's something that I feel like you can ask them. They come up with solutions. Yes. And know how to deal with it now. Okay, so now, Nguma Music Awards and everything like that, ne? So njengoba ni push the way you guys are pushing so far, is there like, let's say there's people out there who look up to you, ne? And then they feel like they want to do what you do and like just inspire. What's that one thing or things that you can tell them or give them guidance on?
In one of the things I believe in, you need to put in work. You need to work for you. If you have a dream, you need to work for that dream. You need to make sure you push until your dream is realized.
Yeah.
You understand? Because your dream will only fail when you quit. The minute when you quit, that is when you fail. But when you keep on pushing, when you keep on persevering and understanding ukuthi ayikho into ezakalula. There's no success that comes in one day. You understand? It's like building a house. That's why they say Rome was not built in one day. You understand?
Yeah.
Because there are stages of growth. There are stages. You just need to understand ukuthi right now I'm just building a foundation for my project. This is where I'm at right now. So build a foundation. Make sure your foundation is concrete, so that when you start putting up blocks and there's not going to be cracks in between. So you need to understand where you are and also the journey that you are traveling. You understand? When you are going to A Joseph, for example, using a freeway, there's 4 lanes. You need to understand which lane I'm at. You understand? Where am I going? What is my destination? What is it that I want to see? What is the vision of what I'm doing? So that is what I would say, Wuti. You need to understand where you are and grow from where you are. And you can never do it alone.
I feel like a lot of people, music artists out there, because there's just bias feedback because bias saba. I feel like from the chat we had, there's a thing or two they can pick up and just bring out their talent.
Bring out their talent.
They should.
Use platforms like this one.
Yeah.
You understand? To say, guys, I'm here, please. You understand? Because my platforms are allow. They are community based. They are there to help us and also help them to grow as well. You understand? So we get caught up being bedroom producers and bedroom artists and don't understand, but I still need to take my music out there. Then how do I take my music out there? How do I brand myself? How do I commercialize? You understand? So that is why you can never do everything alone. You understand that?
True.
But you need to understand where our platforms are corner. So that is why we always encourage our artists would come to Sounds of Azana. If you feel stuck, come to Sounds of Azana. We are able to help our artists to shape and give them indlela and our platforms. Or if 1, 2, 3 and 4, yeah, lap. If 1, 2, 3 and 4, yeah, lap. This is how you our opportunities are corner within the creative space as well.
Makes sense. Okay, Mina, all I can say is thank you for your time and thank you for coming. Thank you for showing up. I learned a thing or two. Now I'm an artist, but I learned a thing or two. So, Angas, if there's anything you want to say before we go for an ad break.
Sicela ukubonga kakhulu ku Thembisa Online for opportunity abasinikeza yona as the Choral Indigenous Music Awards. Sicela ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi sihlezi sibambisana, and to ama fans ethu, to ama fans of the choral indigenous music, they must keep on voting, keep on following ama artists online everywhere. Let's make sure ukuthi we create the genre or space that we want as ama artists. Thank you very much.
So guys, let's go for an ad break, and guys, we'll see you after the break. Thank you.
Isishamthetho sesifundazwe sase-Gauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View, Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka-2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe, singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yensuku zingama-30 kuyo inyanga ephezulu, Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini, ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ungasukucabange. Ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane, kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo. Kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane laphayana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature, noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi nombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za. Gauteng Provincial Legislature, your view, our vision.
Okay guys, we're back from the ad now. So yeah, get into the World Cup spirit with All-Star Sports betting on Saturday, the 27th of June. Think you've got the skills? Take on our Hacky Sack Challenge and stand a chance to win your share of 3.5 in cash prizes. Bounce the hacky sack twice your foot and try kick it into the target without dropping it. Nail the shot, you'll qualify for a final showdown at 3:30 p.m. The top finalist will then battle it out for 2,000 first prize, 1,000 second prize, 500 third prize. Join us from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at our Thembisa branch for a day of football fun, skill, and big prizes. Don't miss out. Okay, guys, so now Phill Da E. Nah. So guys, he's gonna introduce himself. I'm just not gonna say much. Somebody judge.
I'm gonna judge the song.
Yeah.
You good?
I'm
You
good.
good. You managed to call my name right?
Yeah, I did
It's
this
Phill
time.
Da E.
Phill Da E. No.
Sunday, like I'm keys, eh? That's my.
Umzulu now.
Yeah, ngikhabazela ukugubhela amavovo ihloma ihle.
Hayi, bangihlasela ngama-clan names namhlanje. Hayi, bangihlasele.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
Unjani?
I'm good on you, baby girl.
I'm good.
Yeah.
So before we get into it, ungazi-introduce batsheke ukuthi uphumaphi.
Okay.
What do you do? Stuff like that.
Okay. The ID name is Usandile Philip Gamkeys, born and raised in Thembisa, Emashimong section. That's where I come from. That's where I believe it's my home. Am I good?
Yeah.
Yeah. What I do? Yes. Do you want to know what I do? Okay. Before an entertainer, by profession, my 9 to 5, I'm a train driver for Prasa Metro Rail for the past 25 years. In that 25 years, I'm also an MC. I'm also a DJ. I'm also working at the Hangout 1632 as a resident DJ. That's me. Yeah.
I can tell by the talking the chain MC vele, cause
Yeah. The spirit, the
The spirit.
confidence.
Nah.
You must have it on stage, eh?
Because when I see you from a distance, I'm even scared to approach and I'm like, yeah.
You mean I'm not approachable?
Mina ngiyakusaba from my side, it's because vele ngisaba abantu.
Is it respect or kumsaba nje?
I think nokuhlonipha.
I think it's respect,
It's
right?
respect, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
But
think
I'm an easy person to talk to, right?
Now I can tell
okay.
since we are talking. Because whenever
Yeah.
I see you and I'm like,
Yeah.
Phelela.
Now you know better.
yeah, now I know
Now
better.
you know better. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since I also deal with entertainment,
Yeah.
and you're a DJ,
Yeah.
so what can you say to, before we get into it,
Yeah.
upcoming DJs or people who look up to you, especially people who look up to you?
Can I start with upcoming DJs?
Okay.
I want them to know one thing. DJing is a craft. It's a God-given craft. It's a talent. If God has given you a skill, God also wants you to go to school so that you have a backup
Yeah.
if things don't fall into place
Yeah.
into the world of entertainment. So make sure you go to school. Make sure you have a backup, or let's say you go into
Something
the world
to
of music.
fall on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say you do this course, some engineering, whatever. Make sure you have that so that when you come into the
In the
field
street.
of DJing,
Yeah.
you've got a background that will protect you and understand the contract that you guys sign. It's important. Ungangeni nje just because you're desperate. Don't do it.
Or ngoba ubona
So-
ayenza na ufuna ukuyenza zokushaya.
You know what I'm saying? So, hence I say it's a God-given thing.
Yeah.
I don't believe in a man-made kind of talent where they just do it because they feel, "Nami ngayenza this thing." I don't believe in that. I've seen them, they are here.
Yeah, but
Yeah, there's a whole lot of them.
that's
you know?
what I wanted to say. I feel like, okay, vele there's
Yeah.
people who are gifted with DJing. Now when you're on the set, I can
Yeah.
feel, yeah,
I can
no,
do this.
he knows what he's doing. Angayenza lele.
Yeah.
And then there's other people who just do it for the fun of it, or
Yeah.
because babona lo ayiyo, and now they also want to be there. It's like,
Yeah.
sebagcwele namanje.
I call them copycats. I
Yeah.
call them one-track wonder, if you know what I mean. One-track wonder is when a producer makes a one song,
Yeah.
it a hit,
Yeah.
but he cannot follow up.
Oh, makes sense.
We've got such DJ,
Yeah.
you know, DJs of the moment. From there, he doesn't know what she or he doesn't know what
Yeah.
Hence, you see, the most consistent DJs are the most successful DJs.
True.
Hello.
Because to be honest,
Hello.
I don't know how I feel about it, but
Yeah.
someone, no, they just doing it for the fun
yeah,
of it.
yeah.
Nah. They just
And-
want to be behind the spotlight. Because when you're on the desk
Yeah.
and you see her, no, he's doing his thing, the spotlight is on you.
Do you know what happened? I will
Yeah.
be honest with you, adding to what you're saying right now. It's because our world has changed. Evolution has taken place. Ni number 2K. Sorry for that. You came in and you thought you can do anything, anytime,
Anyway.
anywhere. You don't care who says what. Even nala ningafanelanga niye khona, you end up going there. And unfortunately, the way kuchintshwa ngakhona, the industry yethu entertainment yalandela because what? Your content, your influence,
Yeah.
but come to think of it, your background, there's nothing.
True.
There is nothing.
Vale, that's true.
If I look at your bag, what do you have except doing a content? Nada. Nothing.
True. That's actually true.
Living the moment.
The moment.
Not living the future.
The future.
That's what is happening lately. You know what I'm saying?
Nezwa mara. Nezwa. So if I can say, what inspired you, or how did you get to being the DJ that you are?
You know, I've been asked that question for, I don't know how many interviews I had. That question keeps on popping up all the time.
It's the most important one.
Yo.
It's the most important
It is important
question.
for you guys, but it's not important to me because it's a kind of tricky one.
Yeah.
Because how I started,
you always have to go back now, mention, so play reverse and be like, yo.
And the sad part about me, I must go into decades.
Yeah. Now you must think and be like,
now I must think, okay, how did it all start, you know?
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, it was not something that I was inspired, but I never thought I would pursue it.
Oh, okay.
But I was inspired. And that world, you're not even there in that world, right? It's a world of, I keep on saying this, of Metro FM. Before it was Metro FM, it was Radio Metro. Back in the days, before we guys voted in 94, I was listening to a DJ called Quincy Kekana, the only Q on radio. That man made me to fall in love with radio. And there was another one who was doing a breakfast show by the name of Bob Mabena. May his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest in peace.
If you remember, Bob Mabena used to work with Skumba, Kaya FM. Yeah, the one was laughing too much with Skumba.
Yeah.
That man made me to fall in love with radio. And as I grew older, I couldn't even, because Ekaya, there's no one who's more like me. I couldn't say Tateluma. No. I'm the first to do this.
Oh, yeah?
I can Komunye Kai. Unless maybe they tell me, but I don't know anyone.
Yeah, but you don't know anyone.
So the support was not there, the support base was not there. You know? I end up being afraid of pursuing it.
Yeah.
So when I got my salary in my training, I said, let me try also go back to music once I feel. But I went to it. That's when I met Shimza at a young age, while he was still at school at CP High School.
Yeah.
We started knowing each other. It was Shimza, it was Kumza, may his soul rest in peace. And I was just following them, getting to know them better. Then I got interest into the world of music. When Shimza started playing, I was there. And I fell in love with it. But how I end up being a DJ myself is still a mystery.
Yeah.
But hey, I taught myself, by the way. Self-taught,
Clock it?
Yeah, never taught by anyone. I wouldn't say I look up to this guy, he taught me how to DJ. No. I taught myself a whole lot of genres. I taught myself deep house. I taught myself lounge music. I taught myself neo-soul. Even your old music, R&B and soul.
Yeah.
So I'm a versatile DJ.
Oh. So if someone was to ask you, which genre do you play? How do you answer it?
There's a beautiful word I love in English, variety.
Variety.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But because I work at the Hangout, I look at the environment and look at the times and the crowd.
Oh, yeah.
So I would know what to do more 12. I will know what to do more 3 midday. I will also know what to do more 6 in the evening.
Yeah. Because vele, my umungu thole ukuthi ingoma imela idlale ngo-12, adlale ngo-6.
Oh Lord.
Vele ubone ukuthi you must adjust the crowd.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hence, even when I call someone to come and play at Hangout, I must have your background. And you need to understand the culture musically. That's a Hangout. But this is how we operate. So you must tell me what genre you play. And I need to hear a demo about you.
I play R&B.
What you play R&B?
I'm joking. I'm not a
Okay.
DJ. I'm not a DJ.
Okay.
Not
You're
a DJ.
If you play R&B, you're not a DJ, you're a curator.
Curator.
You don't DJ because just...
I just.
You don't mix. You don't mix anything.
I don't. Well, I won't.
Just
it
press
won't
the
make
cue.
sense. Yeah.
The next one cue. The song plays. That's all you do. As long as you can synchronize beautiful songs.
Yeah.
Beautiful curator. Yeah. That's me, by the way. Yeah.
Hi, you got the vibe. I give it to you.
Yeah.
Hi, you got the vibe. So think good bang kakazela man.
But were you scared?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Yeah.
So, can I ask you a question? Have you ever been to one man show?
Yeah, I just started going from last
When?
year. Last year, December.
Last year was the first time.
Yeah.
Then all the years, who was the MC there?
It was you.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, it was you.
If they say Phill Da E, this is the guy.
So now it's bathi nigqoka bo Star White because there was a time you guys used to Star. You were the MC there
Yes,
too.
I was the MC by then. If you look back into the photos, the
Yeah.
one man show, you'll see the MC, they will Phill Da E.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't know. Now I know.
Now you know. You're lucky.
Because we started going to one man show like literally last
When we
year.
have him Vicky the Groove.
Yeah,
you
like
know.
last year.
Vicky the Groove is the baby in the whole thing, but the best one. The best one as an MC, I won't lie about it. Okay?
He knows how to do his
He
thing.
knows how to do his thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I akafani nalabo ukuthi
No.
ngikhalela ukuba who.
No. He's
Velabo.
got it in him. It's God
Yeah.
given. You can tell it's God given.
Yeah.
Hence I say he's still going far. Yeah.
Yeah, he is. Because last time I was interviewing him, I could tell or no man.
The energy.
You see, same as you,
Yeah.
like it's in your DNA. This thing, it's in your DNA.
You know what
It's
I'm
in your
saying?
Yeah. So ever since you've started DJing and being behind the desk,
Yeah.
before I tap into it, do you like feel like is it hard to like know which song to play next, or how to adjust the crowd? I mean, I feel like DJing is hard. Yes.
It's hard if it's not in you.
Nah?
It has to be in you. I keep on saying to a whole lot of DJs, abanye abantu, they don't know the music. You need to understand the music. You need to understand the genre that you're playing. Even if you didn't plan your playlist, but you have it,
Yeah.
you will know what track to play.
True.
I had to plan my playlist.
For real.
I just compile songs.
Yeah, and then you just choose from there.
And as long as I know the BPM and the genre,
Yeah.
I would know.
Which
which
song
song
to
to
play
play.
next?
And lucky me, thank you God, they collaborate most of the time.
Yeah.
They synchronize beautiful.
Because I feel like it's hard. Cabanga ngikhalisa ingoma manje ngithi ngifaka lenye.
Yeah.
You can feel, because you can hear there's two songs. Now you don't understand ukuthi siyaphezulu noma siyaphansi.
It's important to know how the song starts. It's important to know the BPM, the beat of the song. If you can master the beat of the song, you'll be able to synchronize them. But if you cannot master the beat of the song, you won't mix them.
So the main aim is to learn the music from start to finish, like and know how
know
it.
your music. Know that, respect the genre that you play and master it. You don't just come in there and play. Because some of you have the playlist that you play in your cars, right? And think that you can play it over there. Hell
Never.
no.
You can't.
Hell no.
It won't make sense.
Yeah, it's like you trying to sing on your own, right? When I give you the mic, the voice comes out horrible.
It does, because when I'm
It's the
singing
same
it, I'm
thing.
like,
It's the
"Ooh, I'm
same
like
thing."
Beyonce now, and
Yeah.
I'm like, bring me.
You
bring
think you're
me
Beyonce,
the
right?
mic.
Let me give you the mic right now.
Oh, the windows will crack.
You sound like someone worse than wooden mic.
Yeah, the talent that I was daydreaming is gone.
When you're alone, you've got a beautiful talent. But the stage will show you flames, eh?
It will, eh?
Yeah.
It will.
So that's
eh?
how I master it.
Oh, so you guys learn your music.
Yeah.
Don't
yeah.
get behind the deck and be
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I think I got this. and
It's
just
important.
important.
And
huh?
then learning, not only, also make sure that you have someone to inspire you, someone who would give you advice how to go about it. You know, I wouldn't like to use the word hate, but please don't come to me and say I can play well. You know very well you can't. It has happened. I once had a guy convinced me on social media. You know, all the platforms keep on inboxing me, and I said, you know what? Let me just give this guy a chance.
Chance, yeah.
Give the guy a chance. Give him the desk. Lord,
Heavenly Father,
yo, I was like, where can I hide myself?
where was I?
You know what I'm saying? People need to choose the right places to go and learn how to play.
True.
Establishments like this, they don't need them. They need to know Vutiwe already. Because you're not scouting.
Yes.
It's business.
Business. That's why first you must first learn,
Yeah.
know what you're doing, then
Yeah.
come here. Because Noshim's last time he was saying,
Yeah.
I used to call Matavin to like DJ.
True.
Start there,
True.
make your mistakes, then
You know what I'm saying?
grow.
And nakhona qala makunganabantu
Yeah,
man.
you can't start big.
No, you can't start. It's
Hang out.
impossible. You can't.
Impossible.
And when you tell them that, they think you're a gatekeeper.
Nah, you know.
They think you're gatekeeping.
Because when he plays things that spec away.
Exactly, and I might even lose my position.
Yeah, we'll be
you
like,
know what I'm saying?
wow, but don't
And
interview.
then
Yeah.
How?
Virala.
You understand?
Yeah, very.
The next thing I'm not trusted because of you, while me trying to put you on the spot, country, you're destroying me.
Yeah.
It's
Because
important.
now it's a disadvantage on
You know what I'm
your
saying?
side. True, a
Yeah.
lot. So, since you doing the DJing and all that, MC, Yazin, Yazin, hey, who busy?
Busy.
Yo, how busy, man? Yes, man. Hey,
Busy.
it's too much. It's too much. Hey, it's too much. So
Yeah.
let's say, right now, you were to guide someone. I wouldn't say who wants to be like you, because umuntu angeke athufuna ukuba with. I'd rather look up to you.
Okay, I can't hear that thing is too loud. at home.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. It's too loud. Okay.
Yeah.
So as I was saying,
Yeah.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Let's say there's someone, I wouldn't say someone who looks up to you, but before I go into when did you start DJing and MC? Because go OMS, you were already an MC. When did you start?
Yeah, the MC part,
Yeah.
is the most craziest one.
Yeah, because saying as OMS.
Nah, yo, I'll be honest with you, no one taught me.
I should go to God when He created you, He sketched
Yeah,
and He
no,
like,
already
this
God
is
gave
for
me what
you.
I'm supposed to do out there. He just gave everything in me, and I went for it. No? It started when Shimza was owning a place called Boy Santa.
Yeah, I heard about that.
You heard about the place,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
That's where we all started musically. And I would ask the mic from the sound guy, and I don't know what I did, but I just wanted to hype the crowd. Lucky for me, I had the right words in me, English. English was there.
Yeah.
And being inspired by Bob Mabena, like I said, and Quincy Kakana, it made it easier for me. And when Shimza started the concept of one-man show, the first one didn't have the MC. If I'm not mistaken, even the second one. No?
Yeah.
But the third and the fourth, that's when we started exploring
Yeah.
the mic thing. Just to introduce artists. Because I had the voice. I started by doing that. I'll go in, introduce, and go out. Because
Yeah.
you're not sure what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
But the confidence kept on growing each and every year. Then I started doing bigger events now. Then I was doing your jazz festival, Let's Slow Chill and everything. I was the MC. What I'm trying to say is it was self-taught. And I thank my parents for allowing me to know English better,
Yeah.
And yeah, it helped a lot. Self-inspired, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
That's rare, hey?
Very rare. Very
Because of
rare.
the people I interviewed, I don't remember someone saying,
One in a million.
"Hi,
Can I say something?
please."
The first MC in Thembisa, Phill Da E.
For real.
For big events, Phill Da E.
Yeah.
I don't care who says what, they can go
Yeah.
and check.
But Phill Da E.
Phill Da E is the
Okay,
man.
so before
Yeah.
I forgot that why the name Phill Da E. How
Okay.
did that name come about?
Yeah, that
Because
name.
your stories in jail all the time, guys, they're just funny.
Okay, remember Phil is from my name Philip,
Yeah, that I heard.
and then I created the DA thing. It's
Yeah.
not a THE, it's a DA.
Oh.
Da E.
Da E.
E stand for entertainer. So before we shortened it, it was Phill the Entertainer.
Yeah.
Then we shortened it to Phill Da E, just to make it easy for you guys.
Oh.
Yeah.
Phill Da E. People are creative. I'm turning penny camera, like I must brainstorm, code the D, code the
We will Cody. Cody, not Cody, right?
it's
Okay,
Cody.
Cody.
Cody. It's
So you're
just
fine with Cody.
I'm okay
You're
now
fine with
because it's
Cody.
already short.
No, keep it that way. Keep it. It's a brand on its own. Don't take advantage.
Clock
It's a
it.
brand on its own.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
And my name, Ihambe Mamuvi.
Hope to see that name on a movie one day.
There is on Cody Banks.
Yeah. Oh.
Cody Banks.
Cody Banks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you took the name from someone else?
No, my mom gave me
But there
that.
is someone
He
by
is
the name of
someone.
Cody.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like as I was saying,
Yeah.
if there is someone out there obviously who wants to pursue their career in like DJing, ne?
Yeah.
But they don't know how to start or what to do.
Yeah.
And they can tell her they have talent. Ayabovuka ngalala namhlanje ngafuna uba- yeah, they-
Genuine talent.
Yeah, genuine talent.
Okay.
God given.
God-given,
But
yeah.
like scared to express or just show their talent out there. What can you say to them?
I would say one of the best tools that you can use is social media.
Yeah.
I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
If you use social media and you get a place where you can play, equipment, and
Yeah.
record yourself, it's the best tool ever.
True.
We watch these things and we say, let me find this boy, let me find this
Hey.
girl.
Yeah.
The rest is history, just like that.
True, because I feel like like I said before, if something does blow up,
Yeah.
like on TikTok
Yeah,
mostly,
yeah,
and it reaches the right eyes, the
Yes.
right people,
yeah.
in that way you get to experience a lot of stuff in a short period of time.
Yeah.
Because they came to you, you didn't go to them. It's not like me seeking for you and be like,
No.
Rodman, can you slot?
We were impressed.
Yeah.
And we said, come over.
Yeah.
You deserve the platform. Rather
Show us
be-
what you got.
Let it be like that. You know,
Yeah.
don't force matters. Let me say, I want to see that boy or girl somewhere. She or he's got talent. Done.
And the minute you see the video and you just stop
Yeah.
and the minute you just
Yeah.
stop
You know?
and you watch it,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what I believe in. That's pure talent. Mara in pedi ba re ke bo Mathula Tjhatjhing.
Yeah, what does that mean? Pula chachi.
Mathula Tjhatjhing is someone who just uyayenza nje just because.
Just because.
You know?
Baningi though, yeah.
Yo, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them.
How does that make you guys feel? Like people that like Nina DJ now vele.
It's sad,
Yeah.
but we don't have control over it. But it's sad. And we don't want to act like Tina, we are the kings of this thing. But siyabona ukuthi, but are we in down? Why can't you focus on something else? There is something that God gave
You just look for
focus on
it.
there.
Yeah, focus. Everyone
You know what
has
I'm
a
saying?
talent. You can't say you don't have a talent.
Akunamuntu ozala nganatalent unalo.
How?
It's just abanye abafuna ukuwasebenzisa, they go to the wrong place.
True. Because then I can be sitting here and think I don't have a talent. Bangibeke ku-mic kanti I can sing.
That's a talent on its own. Right there, that's a talent on its own. But the fact that the confidence made you to sit there and talk to me like that, that's a talent on its own.
True.
Must pursue it.
Yeah.
Don't just sit with
And
me like
then to
that.
think of it,
Yeah.
back then in the past, I was so shy. Like whenever I'd sit behind the camera, because I used to be a model, I'd
Yeah.
shake. You're being so kakazele, and they're like, cut.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God, what's
But
going
here you are
on?
today.
Like, what's going on?
Interviewing the best in the world.
Interview of a field, that was Chimsa.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So how did you and Chimsa meet, and how's your guys' friendship, relationship?
Yo, me and Shimza, we met. You were still in high school, by the way.
Yeah, you did mention in the
Yeah,
beginning.
you were still in high school. And to be honest, how we met is still a mystery to us. But we connected.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and we'd even go to places together, me and him, using my car, you know? I would take him to wherever he wanted to go, wherever he wanted to explore. Even when he was doing the next big thing show that blew up Shimza.
Yeah.
I was there each and every show
Yeah.
until the last day of the final when he won the main prize.
Yeah.
I was there. I saw it happen. I saw it start.
Reality, like live.
And we're still here together. Even though Yena is way farther.
Yeah.
You know? But because it was his path, he has to be there.
And he's pushing, hey?
And trust me, we fight.
You guys fight,
Me
no?
and Shimza, we fight.
And when you guys, because the first time I saw him and I'm like, yo,
Yeah.
uphansi ne?
He is.
Ngiyambona.
He's down to earth.
So makakwatile hlezi izwi Shimza makakwatile unjani?
It's like engakho uyayiforce.
Yeah, because yabona ngathi akusimuntu
Akusimuntu
ongakwata.
okwatayo.
He's not that
Yeah,
person.
but we do argue. We do have our own arguments. But as there too, as if that person, as if that deep.
Yeah, it's something
Somehow
ningayilungisa.
they expire.
Yeah.
Then we fight.
Because what's your matter? I pay very because it's like you guys are like brothers now. I
We're like
feel.
brothers because
And he made you guys meet for a
Hello.
reason.
Hello. That's how we're still together even today. Even though he's somewhere in the world, I don't know where, but
Hey, and now he's traveling because no matter keep a gig guide. You'd be like,
yes,
huh?
I'm funny
Yo,
because it's crazy.
yo, it is crazy.
Blessed
He's
soul.
moving. He's moving. He's
Blessed soul. I call him
Yo,
a
he
blessed soul.
is.
Yeah. Yeah. Enough about shoes, enough about shoes, about me
Yeah.
here. Okay.
Sorry. So, before we continue, now,
Yeah.
remember when I asked you, Guti, how is it to be behind the deck?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you feel like sometimes it's hard to like impress audience?
Yes,
It is.
it is.
Uh-huh.
Because it depends where you are.
Yeah.
And it doesn't mean hang out who's the one that I want. Let me start by hang out where I work.
Yeah, people
Because I see a
change.
whole lot of different people, different faces. It's not easy. Hence, you must be versatile as a DJ. That's what I believe in. Some will come here looking for ingoma onganazo.
Oh yeah, yes, call DJ.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
But now, you must be good in communicating. Make sure you bring them closer to you and give them something similar to what they wanted. That's what I do. It can be hard, but it's also a skill to be able to convince them to listen. To what you're playing. I've won a lot of hearts musically by convincing them. Man, just open up your ear, you know. Be versatile as in I'm lomeni pela. You're listening. Open up. I play what you call, sometimes I play what you call new wave R&B. I hope you know that you're young. I hope you must know that. I do it because I could tell sometimes they deserve this kind of vibe. And you'll see them like, I said, oh, okay, I got them.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
So, you vibing with the audience and like they feeling.
Yeah.
How does that actually make you feel? Because when I feel like I love unto they hard to convince, especially when they drunk. I feel like when people are they're a problem. Oh, it's when they're sober.
I don't know, when they are, let's use the word, when they are refreshed.
Yeah, when they are refreshed. They are.
That's when you honestly enjoy the vibe. That's when now we want the energy to impress them further musically. That's when you make sure, let me play the hits.
Yeah.
Because now, the more they dance, the more they also move their bar, you know?
Yeah, true.
You know what I'm saying? They also move the kitchen they want to eat. But you must play good music to keep them here. So I enjoy seeing people dancing than watching their phones. I don't enjoy that.
Yo.
It scares a hell lot of me because I'm busy on my phone. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying don't use your phone,
but,
but if the focus is here, the whole 1 hour of mine I'm playing you here. I must be boring, Shem. I must be boring.
And I'm sure it can be stressful. Imagine since they hang out, maybe there's like 30 people.
Yeah.
Not to peg a table because you're standing here and you're facing them.
The view, you can see everyone. Yeah.
Table by table, they're touching their phones. No one is moving. Ayeko noma othi. Yo.
And if no one is moving, they're saying they can't wait for you to come out of stage. That's sad. Now it must be a wake-up call. Okay, I need to change my strategy. That means, and do your own research. Find out. I'm very talkative. Yeah? Sometimes when I go to the loo, I'll come back and chat with them while then I'll know exactly. Someone will open up. Oh, that's what they want. Then I go and change my things. But not saying I will play what you want. But I'll go to the genre that you're looking for, depending on the time.
Because I'm going to go to 12 femin. Uzokhalisa piano. Lele kumele likhale ngo12.
Sinokubathola lapho.
For real?
Yeah, banokuza lana umuntu okhohle ukuthi isikhatsini. Yena ubheka ukuthi as long as azozwa le ngoma ayifunayo.
Yeah.
Because abantu banocabanga ukuthi makasemotweni, makalela ingoma yakhe la engalela ngo12 ebusuku ayimamela ngo8 ekuseni. Nala could be the same. It's not the same. It's not the same.
Because Gavana, like you can be playing a slot at 12.
Yeah.
Some other people come here for business meetings.
You know what I'm saying? And they want to chill.
Babe nama meeting.
Yeah.
Mtabe one. Because Mauza, I mean, you can see it's professional. Like everyone's sitting there.
And lucky enough at the Hangout Society, we have music for such people.
Yeah.
We call it lounge music.
Oh.
When they talk, when they talk, when they do whatever meetings, that music is playing on the background on a low volume. But they can hear the song because our sound is quality, by the way.
Ah, it is quality.
Oh, hallelujah.
Ah, it is quality. Yo, it is quality. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. So, like you said,
No.
So right now, do you currently have like a role model or someone you're looking up to? Right now, currently, gaming.
Can I cough to that? I had to cough on that one. In the game itself, honestly speaking, I don't want to lie, I don't want to insult anyone. No, there's no one.
Makes sense.
There is no one. I just love seeing about Pumelele, especially as MC. I love Vic. I want him to succeed.
Yeah.
And I want him to understand that it's important to remain consistent.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, makes sense.
Sorry for that.
It's not a problem.
I had to cough,
It makes sense.
That was a tough question. I had to cough.
No, it makes sense. So before we close it,
what
can you say to someone who wants to be Phill? Who's like, when I wake up, I want to be like him? Because I know there are people out there.
There are people like that.
Yeah.
And my inboxes are crazy with such people.
Yeah.
Please, Phill, teach me how to MC. Please teach me how to DJ. And I'll ask you one thing. If you want to be a DJ, give me a playlist of your favorite songs.
Yeah, and I feel like that's a tough question for them.
It has to be tough because I'm going to say to you, that playlist, what time can you play it as a DJ?
And if they don't realize that you're actually doing an interview now. That's what people they don't see.
If you want to be an MC, give me a show. Look at yourself in the mirror
and give me a show.
Send me your video. Give me a show live on your own.
Yeah, because you can do it.
There's a crowd, there's everything. Give me a show. If you're going to give me that, forget it. I'm not going to help you.
True. They don't realize that's actually an interview because it is.
On its own.
Okay, so before we close it, where can you say people can find you on the socials and everywhere?
Am I good with those ones? Let me try. On Facebook, it's Phill Da E.
Phill Da E.
On Instagram, Sandile Gamkize. Sandile _Gamkize. Phill Da E. On X, it's also Phill Da E. I use one, Phill Da E.
Oh, it's Phill Da E.
If you search Phill Da E on all socials, you'll find me.
Okay. So do you have something to say before we close?
Yeah. But I said something. Yeah, I do. Let me inspire people. If God has given you a talent, don't let anyone take it away from you. Go out there, search and open the right doors. Just make sure you don't kick the door. Knock. It will be opened.
Yeah, don't kick the door.
Don't kick the door. Knock. It will be opened.
Guys, listen. Don't kick the door. Knock.
It will be open. Hallelujah.
But thank you for coming and letting me speak to you. Now I can greet you now.
When you see me, you won't be afraid anymore?
No.
God bless you, baby girl. Now you are blessed. Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you so much.
So guys, I think we're done and we can wrap it up. Once again, it's your girl Cody, Manalehoa. And guys, I hope you guys had an explicit show. Because I did.
Yeah.
Because what? Negenali Shashalaza, Negetweri MC. Baba. So guys, please have a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Have a blessed day. Keep on growing. Like he said, don't kick the door, knock. So thank you guys, and I love you.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Isishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe, singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yensuku zingamashumi amathathu kuyo inyanga ephezulu Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini, ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ungasukucabange. Ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane, kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo. Kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane laphayana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature, noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi nombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za. Gauteng Provincial Legislature, your view, our vision.
In this Youth Month edition of Meet Our Members, we introduce Constable Ngobo, a 30-year-old SAPS member who is stationed at Hillbrow SAPS, who has achieved an exceptional milestone in his studies. His achievement is a testament of dedication, discipline, and the pursuit of excellence. Though he's committed to both policing and education, Constable Ngobo's story reminds us that with determination and perseverance, anything is possible.
Lindo Ngobo is from KwaZulu-Natal in a place called Nkandla. Currently, I'm working in Hillbrow Police Station, where I'm working. My duties include crime prevention, dealing with robbery complaints, monitoring and stabilizing crime hotspots around Hillbrow Policing Precinct. I joined SAPS in 2022. Before I joined SAPS, I was working in Gauteng Department of Community Safety in a research department where I was working as a policy researcher intern. Okay, my educational background is a PhD in Policy and Development Studies and a Master's in Social Science majoring with Public Policy, a Bachelor of Social Science Honours in Public Policy, and a Bachelor of Social Science from the University of KwaZulu-Natal. My message for the youth is that SAPS can be their employer of choice because SAPS values career development, and it also values, I noticed recently the organization have been recruiting graduates to be part of the organization. So even the people who are graduates, they can consider SAPS as their employer of choice, and that will not end there because they will also gain more training with regards to their areas of expertise.
And tell us, what do you enjoy doing when you are not working?
Okay, when I'm not working, I'm a person who loves reading and doing research, as well as involving myself in sport activities.